Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Tayari Beginners की. This is Gauri Mishra. We will discuss today's English current affair with strategy के. Watch very carefully and do subscribe, like, comment and share. So let's start this. First news is to former judge of Supreme Court Arjan Kumar Shikri appointed as chairman of the Grievance Redressal Board of the recently formed Digital Publisher Content Grievances Council. GRB will address content grievances pertaining to the council member video online streaming services. It will act as the second tier within the third tier grievances redressal mechanism. The DPCGC currently has 14 publishers of online curated content as members. IAMAI headquarter Mumbai, chairman of IAMAI Amit Agrawal. All this information is related to this question. Okay, now let's talk about all the appointment that have been made recently. Okay, मतलब कि जो भी अभी रिसेंट में अपॉइंटमेंट्स की गई हैं उनके बारे में रिवीजन कर लेते हैं तुरंत से. लाइफ इंश्योरेंस कोऑपरेशन MR कुमार, कन्फेडरेशन ऑफ इंडियन इंडस्ट्री TV नरेंद्रन, नेशनल ह्यूमन राइट्स कमीशन अरुण कुमार मिश्रा, इंटेलिजेंस ब्यूरो अरविंद कुमार, रिसर्च एंड एनालिसिस विंग सामंत गोयल, सेंट्रल ब्यूरो ऑफ इन्वेस्टिगेशन सुबोध कुमार जायसवाल, चीफ इंफॉर्मेशन कमिश्नर ऑफ इंडिया सुशीला चंद्रा, डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ नेशनल इन्वेस्टिगेशन एजेंसी कुलदीप सिंह. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The National Award winning eminent Bengali film director Buddhadev Dasgupta has passed away. He was also a celebrated poet, had won several national awards for his contribution to Bengal cinema. Buddhadev Dasgupta was known for directing critically acclaimed films like Uttara, Bagh Bahadur, Tahadir Katha तथा Charachar. Recent famous obituaries भी क्वेश्चंस जो हैं एग्ज़ाम में बनते हैं तो उनके बारे में भी जानकारी ले लीजिएगा. श्री कुमार बनर्जी, फॉर्मर चेयरमैन ऑफ एटॉमिक एनर्जी कमीशन. ज्योति कृष्णन दत्ता, डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ नेशनल सिक्योरिटी गार्ड. के रघुनाथमन तो डायरेक्टर जनरल ब्यूरो ऑफ इन्वेस्टिगेशन. मानस बिहारी वर्मा, एरोनॉटिकल साइंटिस्ट. पंडित देवाब्रता चौधरी, सितार मिस्ट्रो. सोलिस रॉबजी, अटॉर्नी जनरल ऑफ इंडिया. शंख घोष, पोइट. मौलाना बहीउद्दीन खान, इंडियन इस्लामिक स्कॉलर. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. प्रेसिडेंट इलेक्ट ऑफ द 76th सेशन ऑफ यूनाइटेड नेशंस जनरल असेंबली अब्दुल्ला शहीद अपॉइंटेड के नागराज नायडू एज हिज chief the cabinet. Naidu is India's deputy permanent representative to the UN ambassador. Comprising 193 members, the GA is the main deliberative, policymaking and representative organ of UN. India currently serving the 2021 to 2022 term as a non-permanent member of the powerful UN Security Council will assume the presidency of the 15-nation UN organ in August. UNGA headquarter New York, USA. UNGA President Abdullah Shahid. Now let's talk about United Nations. The United Nations is an intergovernmental organization, मतलब कि अंतर सरकारी संस्था या संगठन. द टेम टू मेंटेन इंटरनेशनल पीस एंड सिक्योरिटी, डेवलप फ्रेंडली रिलेशंस एमंग नेशंस, अचीव इंटरनेशनल कोऑपरेशन एंड वी अ सेंटर फॉर हार्मोनाइजिंग द एक्शंस ऑफ नेशंस. फाउंडेड ऑफ UN 24 October 1945, San Francisco, United States. Headquarter of UN, New York, United States. Secretary General of UN, Antonio Guterres. Now let's move on the next question. El Salvador has become the world's first country to grant legal tender status to Bitcoin. Its economy heavily relies on remittances, and so those who are working abroad can send money back home in Bitcoin too. It will bring financial inclusion, investment, tourism, innovation and economic development to country. About El Salvador. El Salvador, officially the Republic of El Salvador, is a country in Central America. It is bordered on the northern by Honduras, on the northeast by Guatemala, and on the south by Pacific Ocean. Capital of El Salvador, San Salvador. Currency Bitcoin and United States dollar. President of El Salvador, Nayib Bukele. Some information about digital currency. Bitcoin is a virtual currency that is based on peer-to-peer technology to operate with no bank, no central authority. Bitcoin run on the blockchain, which is a decentralized ledger. Okay. Bitcoin digital currency developed by Satoshi Nakamoto of Japan. Satoshi Nakamoto of Japan. Okay, now next question. Okay, the first edition of the Second Arab India Energy Forum was held virtually. The event was held under the co-chairmanship of India and Morocco. The forum witnessed the exchange of knowledge, expertise, the best practices in the fields of energy efficiency programs, accelerated development of new and renewable energy, fostering regional power sharing arrangement, enhance oil recovery, tight gas extraction, and safe nuclear power generation, etc. List of summit and conference and their venue. 2021 G20 summits, Rome, Italy. Okay, 24th G7 summit 2021 held in United Kingdom. 17th BIMSTEC ministerial meeting 2021 chaired by Sri Lanka. 2021 BRICS summit in India. Shanghai Cooperation Organization Summit 2021 Tajikistan in Dushanbe. Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation Summit 2021 New Zealand, Auckland. Association of Southeast Asian Nation या ASEAN 2021 Brunei Bandarsheri Begawan. COP 2026 UNFC's CCC 2021 Glasgow, Scotland. Okay, so this was today's current affair video. Hope you liked it. If you like the video, do subscribe, like, comment and share. Okay, if you want to listen the audio of current affairs, then you can join our Khavri platform. You will get a link from the description of the video. Okay, and one more information, if you want to PDF of this video, then join our Telegram group, get link from video description. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and stay home, and thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.